The phrasal verb run out means to exhaust or deplete the available supply of something. It is commonly used as a verb phrase.
I ran out of milk, so I couldn't have cereal for breakfast.
Have you ever run out of ideas for what to cook for dinner?
I'm worried we'll run out of time to finish the project.
You shouldn't run out of patience so easily. I ran out of clean clothes and had to do laundry.
Have you ever run out of gas while driving?
I always run out of energy by the end of the day.
Do you think we'll run out of water in the future?
I ran out of excuses for being late to work.
Have you run out of books to read from the library?
I forgot to buy groceries, and now I've run out of food.
You should check the battery level so you don't run out of power.
I often run out of motivation when facing challenges.
Have you ever run out of options in a difficult situation?
I ran out of money and couldn't afford concert tickets.
Do you think we'll run out of opportunities in life?
I always run out of time to visit all the places I want to see.
Have you run out of space for storing your belongings?
I ran out of ideas for what to write in my journal.
You shouldn't run out of hope, even in tough times.
Do you think we'll run out of opportunities in life?
You shouldn't run out of patience so easily.
I always run out of energy by the end of the day.
Run out.